Cloudy cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices, spices. Cloudy cooks.
Hey foodies, welcome back to the channel. Today is episode 2 of our clean Caribbean comfort food. Check out these wonderful ingredients, still keeping the flavors big and bold. Are you ready for this one here? I bet you want to know what we're cooking today. Today we are making roasted potato stacks and stewed chicken, imagined a little bit lighter but still keeping our flavors. Let's go! Woo-hoo! Let's season some chicken for dinner today. Let's cover and let the flavors do their work. Let's get some flavors onto our sweet potato. In here we have some coconut oil. Now in for some thyme. Layering up this with lots of beautiful Caribbean flavors. We're adding a bit of cinnamon, just about half a teaspoon. Some black pepper and salt to taste. Let's season this all up. We're gonna rub all of this in to get some nice flavors to our potato. Look how the flavor is sticking to that. Yes, that's what we're talking about. In with our lined baking tray. Let's just layer these up. These are going into a preheated oven at 200 degrees centigrade for about 35 to 40 minutes or until nice and golden and fork tender. Time to brown our chicken, and we're going in with about a tablespoon of oil. We're just going to heat that up now. Just going to get the pot hot and then we'll be back to fry the chicken. Okay, let's shake off the seasoning off there and look at that. Look at how the seasoning is clinging to that. You know we're going to have a lot of flavor, even though we're trying to keep it a bit cleaner. If you've noticed as well, I've removed the skin from the chicken, trying to cut back on a lot of fat really. We're setting this aside for later. Let's fry our chicken. What we're trying to do here is to develop flavor because we're cutting out a few things to make it a bit leaner. So we're going to develop some flavors by browning it off and just cook it as normal. I really wish you could smell this. The flavors are popping in the kitchen. I'm using some tomato paste because we're not going to put any tomato ketchup in there because of the sugar content and extra salt and all that. So I'm trying to create a really good flavor without using all of the usual stuff that we put in. So I'm just frying this off until it gets nice and brown, and then we can saute off the aromats that we use to season the chicken. Let's add our aromats. Let that saute for a few minutes. I think we've layered up the flavors nicely, and now we're adding 1 cup of chicken broth. You can use hot water. Just going to scrape all the wonderful flavors off the bottom of the pan. Let's add our meat back in. And of course, the delicious juice. Of course, I can't forget my browning. Just a tad, I'm using half a teaspoon here. I'm just going to put that in. You could of course make it without it and just use the base of the tomato paste after you brown it off. But I still want to keep a bit of my authentic Caribbean flavor to that. And in with a little Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm adding just a little bit more green seasoning that I've made, and this green seasoning is oil free, and the salt in it was very minimal, half a teaspoon. And I use the green seasoning to season the chicken. So I'm just layering up the flavor back again. Now we're going to let that cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. Lid on. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's taste the flavor. Just gonna put a bit of lime juice and a tad more salt. Salt already in. Now for our lime juice, just to lift and brighten the flavor. We are done. I made a quick stir-fry vegetables to go with this. So just let's plate up. Let's stack our sweet potatoes. Look at that. Looking good. Now for some of this beautiful sauce. And there you have it, guys. My clean Caribbean comfort food. Stewed chicken, roasted sweet stacked potato, and the stir-fried mixed vegetables. If you enjoyed cooking with me today, subscribe, share with your friends and family if you want more of these clean and delicious recipes. Peace out. Enjoy.
Cloudy cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices.